Hello everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to scrap all members from multiple groups on Facebook. So now let's get to the point. Okay, and here's the main screen. We are in the software, and this is the account management function, which allow you to manage a lot of numbers of the account face on Facebook right here. To do the scanning, I just need one or two. Okay, and this is my account. Okay, I log in via my software. Now we'll go to the group scanning features and we choose scan group members. Look at the screen, the members scanning settings, and we have to set it all of this thing. The general setting, the interval between scan from 15 to 30 seconds, change account after each scan 100 members. Maximum groups per scan, you can choose 100 members. Okay, and you import the group. This is the ID of the group. For example, I want to scrap the Facebook group like New York buying selling. Okay, and I copy the UID. You can convert the link to UID is here. Okay, and I will enter the link and save. And I want to change after scanning for about 1,000 members. Okay, choose only scan new members or do not scan admin. Okay, only scan new member. It's just like what? It's just like scanning all the people that just joined the group. Okay, recently. So now I will scan. Let's select the accounts. Let's select the accounts that you want to use to scan all the members, and you can save. Okay, and you can start. Wait a little bit. Everything will be done automatically for you. And you can see over here, it is doing the scanning. Okay, this is the group one we choose to scan all the members. Okay, and wait just a few minutes. Okay, so just by some minutes, and it scan 220 over 1,000 members. Okay, so now I will stop. Okay, so we can get over these 230 members. Okay, information. We stick to choose and we export the data. Okay, and we export the data and we save. And now let's check. Okay, this is. Let's check. And now you can see this is all the thing. Yeah, all the information of each members that joined the group. Okay, so that you can mask the comments or mask the DMs to all of this account. Okay, it's easy, right? And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang MKT for more tutorial every week. See you in the next video.